Good evening, everyone. We are today at the Canary Wharf, one of the most modern area in London. Canary Wharf is famous for its cluster of tall, modern commercial complexes and the residential high-rise buildings. It is the London's second major business district, crucial to UK economy by providing over 120,000 jobs, primarily in finance, law and technology.
Look at the scene.
Extensive commercial, residential, and retail space, while serving as a vital driver of investment and urban regeneration. Canary Wharf देखा जाए तो it's a cluster of high-rise buildings like Mumbai, New York, Singapore, and it annually gives out 40 billion GVA alone. Canary Wharf gives out to the London economic value. Good evening, everyone. We are today at Canary Wharf and we are going to explore the winter lights of Canary Wharf, which stays for 10 or 11 days in the end of January. So these are the escalators, famous big escalators. Anywhere you go in London, हर जगह आपको escalators दिखाई देंगे, जैसे कि बड़े बड़े escalators है Canary Wharf में. So now we need to cross the Canary Wharf station and head towards our winter lights. If you look at the map, so this is the place from where the will come out of the station number 16, and from there the lights will start. Like on the bridge there is amplitude lights. Half of the lights are this side, half of the lights are this side. It will take 3 hours or more than that to find out all the lights. I didn't cover it in one day. It took me 2 days, and so if you are quick from 5 to 10 it remains, so you should do it quick because photographies and all take time, so it may take 2 days for you. So you can take a screenshot and see the map of the winter lights and match them with the photos. Did you find out all? I didn't find out all. 2, 3 or 4 are missing. Whenever you cross the Canary Wharf station, you will find this tunnel inside the station, the white tunnel. So whenever I come here, I try to have some photos with it, because आप जैसे ही अंदर जाओगे जो सफ़ेदी की चमकार आपके मुंह पे आएगी, फोटोज़ अच्छे आएंगे क्योंकि आप बहुत ही गोरे लगने लगोगे अचानक से यहाँ पे. एंड द आर्ट इज़ इमर्सिव. Look at these lights, the spiral lights, means the loopholes, right? Whenever you see inside it, you will feel that it's never ending lights. ये कभी एंड ही नहीं होती ये लाइट्स. देखो आप जितना भी अंदर झांक के देखोगे आपको लगेगा ये आगे बढ़े जा रही है. तो दिस इज़ एन आर्ट. सो दिस आर्ट इज सेट अप बाय न्यूमरस आर्टिस्ट हु कम्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड सेट द लाइट्स इन द लंदन इन द कैनरी वॉर्फ. सो ये सारे जहाँ से लोग आर्टिस्ट आते हैं और जो अपने लाइट का जो प्रदर्शन करते हैं. So these are never-ending loopholes light.
Canary Wharf is the heart of London because of its big buildings. It's also said as the New York of London. यहाँ की बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंगों के वजह से इसे न्यूयॉर्क ऑफ लंदन कहा जाता है, क्योंकि न्यूयॉर्क में सारी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स हैं. More skyscrapers in New York. London is more about the European style living. Means they are bungalow style, but here in Canary Wharf you will see there are lots of big buildings, and always there is a water. There are water bodies in the Canary Wharf. Means छोटे छोटे तालाब जैसा बनाया है पूरा Canary Wharf, और वहाँ से जो ठंडी हवाएं जो बहती है, the cold breeze which flows from the water is next level, and the winter lights in that are doing some magic. And this is the bridge from where train will go. You can imagine how beautiful it looks. Modern London is Canary Wharf. Winter lights. Look at the scene. The train is going from here. let's walk towards this magical path to winter lights of Canary Wharf. This is like a lights in water with music.
So it seems like a symphony of water, music, and lights. You know, the lights are down, you are seeing on the bottom of the water, they are set, and they are reflecting on the water, which is like a water dews, and creating some magic lights. And see the modern structure with the train, how good they are looking. It's a modern touch to the London economy and to my eyes. क्योंकि मैं शुरुआत में जब अकेला महसूस करता था लंदन के स्ट्रक्चर्स को देख के, जब बोर हो गया था, when I was bored I came in London seeing only one type of building, the brick red building, the European style. I came to Canary Wharf and I was like I'm in the Mumbai, looking at the big skyscrapers, and it felt me so good here.
So सेम ही आपको कैसा लगा? It's worth it? पानी पे जो लाइट हो रही है. So remember this station?
So this is the same station where Shah Rukh Khan's song was filmed, you know, Challa Da Labda Fire from Jab Tak Hai Jaan. And look at the tall buildings. आपको शायद याद आ गया होगा कि यही स्टेशन था, और वहाँ पे मैं आपको अंदर से दिखाऊंगा स्टेशन, तो आपको याद आ जाएगा जो वो एस्केलेटर से ऊपर आ रहा है. So these are the same escalators, and this is the station where Shah Rukh Khan's song was filmed of Jab Tak Hai Jaan. So Shah Rukh Khan, you remember this shape of the station. तो जहाँ से शाहरुख खान ऊपर आ रहा है, छल्ला दा लबदा फिरे यारो दा काई कहना लोगो दा पूछना फिरे छल्ला दी लबदा फिरे डा 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 डा. मज़ा आ गया. मतलब वो जो मेमोरी है जो फिल्म की, द बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स इन द कैनरी वॉफ, वाओ, जस्ट it's a chilling moment.
Canary Wharf.
छल्ला तू सबदा छल्ला तेरा कोई नहीं छल्ला गली गली रुलदा फिरे. Oh God, शाहरुख खान.
जैसे इंडिया में फव्वारे होते हैं और नीचे से जो लाइट मारते हैं और फव्वारे जो अलग अलग रंग के निकलते हैं, सो दिस इज सेम लाइक दिस सम कॉन्सेप्ट. और इसे विंटर लाइट्स का अच्छा सा नाम दिया है. और देखो कितने लोग आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए और फोटोग्राफ्स लेने के लिए. सो समथिंग इन इंडिया हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम इट, डू गुड PR and always arrange things, how to do PR advertising and how to manage it. That's the main thing. आप कितने लोगों को बुला सकते हो just on the name of winter lights for 10 days. See, बाकी जगह तो बढ़िया है. मुझे पहले से कैनरी वॉफ पसंद है because of the tall buildings and modern skyscrapers. This is basically park, Eden Park, and you can see the trees are decorated with the lights. सारे पेड़ पौधे लाइट्स से जगमगा उठे.
Namaste lights. So this is also one of the winter light, benches light. मतलब benches are glowing
Benches are
with the
also
lights. You
of
can
lights.
sit here and take a photograph.
बैठ के एक फोटोग्राफ्स ले लो.
The wharf is actually area made for docks, ships, and the buildings which are next to the shore or canal or water bodies. So this is a symbol of Canary Wharf, a dolphin. Dolphin बनाई गई है. So this is also one of the symbol the Canary Wharf है. And see this light, spiral lights. वो आपको आगे से कुछ और दिखेगी और पीछे से like DNA दिखेगी. It looks something else from the front, and when you go back camera, it will look like
Spiral
a
lights.
DNA structure.
You want to see the
It's a
beauty,
good
you have
light.
to
I
turn
like this
around.
light. See, as I'm moving my
See the
camera,
beauty.
you can see how good they have changed their structure. You can't imagine a round light from the front can go this way from the other side. how it changed
like
from
Vienna
round
structure.
to
Wow.
some.
So these lights are glowing in the night. जब ये रात
You
में
wanna
glow
see
कर
the
रही है
beauty, you have to turn
तो अच्छा
around.
लग रहा है. Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf is an area
See the
of
beauty.
lights, tall buildings, and yeah, adding these 16 lights for the 10 days makes it more special because more and more people are attracted toward the Canary Wharf just to
How
see
it
these
changed
lights.
from round to some waves.
So these are also some illusional lights. See, look how they are looking from the front like some round spiral shape. And when you go backwards, how they changed. It's like only the circle, the different structure circle. Or when they move, जब ये घूमती है तब आपको कुछ अलग फीलिंग देती है. ये इल्यूशनल आपको फीलिंग देती है, जैसे राउंड स्पाइरल शेप्स से बनी हो. आगे से ऐसा दिखता है जैसे कि एंड तक ऐसे होगा, लेकिन आप जब साइड से देखते हो तो आपको अलग अलग सर्कल दिखाई देते हैं. और जब ये अपना कलर्स भी बदलती है. सी how it changes into Olympic disc. So these are the lights which is made under a roof. It is like a round shape. So there is no roof, but it is just a round shape where you can go inside and take your photographs. The walls like they glitter. And जैसे कि आप
This light creating magic for you.
एक चौकोर जहाँ पे लाइट्स ग्लिटर करती है और आप अंदर जाके फोटोग्राफ्स ले सकते हैं. तो कुछ इस तरह से बनाया गया है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर. So there is no roof, but it is made in round, and how the light glitters. This is also one of the light, and another light. This one. So you can stand here and you can take
Walking
photographs.
by the
There's some electric atmosphere.
And with these tall skyscrapers, it feels amazing. अच्छा लगता है जब तक ठंड हद से बाहर ना बढ़ जाए, क्योंकि बारिश यहाँ कभी भी होने लगती है. Always come with umbrella. Anytime it can rain. But see the modern structures. So ये आप देख सकते हो, ये हाथ के जो निशान बन रहे वो यहाँ से डायरेक्ट हो रहे. आप यहाँ से जैसे हाथ के एक्शन करोगे, हाउ एक्शन यू विल डू with your hands here
It's a gesture light. It's change with your hand gesture.
will be there.
Now these are words written on the water flowing from up to down. So can you read the words? If you can read, please comment it.
If you are smart enough, what is written on the water, if you can clarify for me, comment.
I found out there another light, the round red.
It should be here.
What a beautiful scene by the water, और इतनी मॉडर्न इमारतें, ट्रेन जाती हुई, and a small little bridge. So this is something spiral round, right? Golchakka lights. You know, these are the lights. These are actually very red. So you can stand here and take your photo. Reddish lights. See how red is.
और वो ओरिजिनल लाइट है और उसकी परछाई जो पानी में गिर रही है, द शेडो ऑफ द लाइट्स इन द वाटर, इट सीम्स लाइक इट इज़ टू इन नंबर. These are musical lights with some balls to create some electrifying atmosphere. In bloom, जैसे आप इसे हाथ लगाओगे ये ब्लूम होगा, मतलब अपना रंग बदलेगा. So whenever you touch this light, it will change the color. It's called bloom lights, like flower blooms. Let us see.
Il mio che è del fiore. È sicuro che sono massato del fiore.
See? It changed to pink. These are the dancing couples. दो जन डांस कर रहे हैं ये लाइट्स में, आप अगर गौर से देखोगे तो. So these are the lights. जहाँ पे आप डांस करोगे तो आपका शेडो पड़ेगा, शेडो लाइट्स. So you can dance here. We are seeing this, kids are enjoying. Canary Wharf banks. The whole area is beside the water. These are some of the swirling lights, swirling round, chakri lights. These are reacting on the music beats. जैसे जैसे म्यूजिक बज रहा है ये भी अपना रंग चेंज कर रही है. This is the number 7 Crossrail place. These are the winter lights. It's a walking bridge. So I am walking through the Crossrail bridge. This is so colorful, it is so artistic, it is. So देख सकते हो आप कितना अलग आर्ट लगता है ये ब्रिज, कितना कलरफुल लग रहा है. एंड वॉकिंग वहाँ से आप चल रहे हो, ऐसे लगता है कुछ नहीं, इट्स अ नॉर्मल ब्रिज, स्टिल इट्स एन आर्ट. It's a photograph time, and never forget to take photographs in this colorful bridge. See how colorful it looks. तो ऐसे अभी एक बैकग्राउंड आएगा, देख सकते हो पूरा सिल्वरी और कैसा लग रहा है. तो यहाँ पे फोटोज आप ले सकते हो. So you can take photos here. If you cross the Crossrail place, the bridge, so this will count. It's a photogenic. What do you think? This is called illusion photography. वो जो क्रॉस रेल ब्रिज हमने क्रॉस किया वो कोई विंटर लाइट्स नहीं थी, वो तो ब्रिज है ही. उसके आप जैसे क्रॉस करोगे और जैसे ऊपर रूफटॉप गार्डन पे आओगे, देयर इज एन विंटर लाइट्स नंबर 7. दिस आर displaying the planetarium, planets of our solar system. This must be Mars, red in color. This is a rooftop garden. if you cross the Crossrail bridge. This can be the moon. This is our Earth. And this is our India. It's a photogenic place, the rooftop garden. You can come here and relax even without the winter wonder lights. Look at the greenery. Below me there's the Elizabeth line tube. हमारे नीचे एलिजाबेथ लाइन ट्यूब ट्रेन्स चल रही है और इसके ऊपर इन्होंने गार्डन बनाया है, रूफटॉप गार्डन बड़ा शानदार है। आराम से आप आके रिलैक्स कर सकते हो। ये बिल्डिंग के ऊपर है, किसी ज़मीन पे नहीं है। दिस इज़ नॉट इन द ऑन द लैंड, दिस इज़ ऑन द बिल्डिंग, बिकॉज इफ आई शो यू द लैंड इज डाउन, वी आर ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर।
So this was all from the Winter Lights of Canary Wharf 2026, and you can take some photographs, and please subscribe and share the channel. Do not forget to like it.